So your
Yes.
topic is, who better understand you, teachers or parents?
Vedika, you support teachers, and Sanya, parents, okay?
Okay.
So what I believe is that parents are more supportive to their child, because they have given birth to us, and they are more, always they always be with us, and they always support us. That's I believe.
But I feel more than parents, it's our teacher who understands us better because they have they have met with super much students in their
But
throughout
what
their
about
life, and
teachers do
they
double
just
standard.
understand
They don't
how
support the children. As I have seen that some teachers, they are supportive towards one children, but on the other children they don't support them. What about that?
I feel that partiality is now being super less. I don't believe
Like,
that
you
teachers
are
support.
wrong. You are
Let me
literally
complete my point. I don't believe that nowadays teachers are being super partial because they focus on the students which are great learners and which are super good at learning.
that
Because
is a form of
those
partiality.
are the
na?
deserving students. Teachers attend the
But
undeserving
I don't
students
agree
and they
with
help
you.
those to
I
become
don't
better
agree
in
with
their
you.
life.
I don't agree with you. I have seen many teachers, they do partiality with students.
But we have to say about how they understand us better. I think that teachers understand us better because
Like, how
they,
can you say
in
that
this
teachers
teenage
understand
life, in
better?
this
Like,
life
parents,
of
they know us better. Like, they always be with us. We
in
have
this
spent
life
almost
of
20
teenagers, we all want freedom. We all want
Our
success.
parents
Which
give us
we all
freedom.
want
We can't
great
say that our
guidance, which is
parents are
given
not
by
giving us freedom.
which is given to us by our teachers because teachers are great and great in our
But I
life, and
don't
they
agree.
also help us to learn more and more every day.
But I don't
and
agree with
and
you,
I also
as
believe that
parents support more because they know us better than our teachers.
And I also believe that we spend more of a time with our teachers in nowadays as compared to our parents because
No,
we
you can't
spend
say this. You
super
spend
time
your
in schools,
entire time in your
coachings
day.
and
Like,
all
you
that
spend just
institutes,
5
but
hours
we
in your school,
have just a
not
little
in
less
your
quality
coaching.
time to spend with our parents. So I believe when we spend more time with such a person like teachers,
I don't
we
believe
understand them better, they understand us better, and we can create a better understanding and a great
But
relationship.
I don't believe it, as we spend more time with our parents, so they understand
I
us
don't believe
better.
that we spend more time with our parents, as you also go to school or institute or something. You first attend your college, you then go to your institute. That creates so much of time in your 24 hours, and you
don't you
have
think
just
parents
little
also
less
plays an
time to
important
spend
role
with
in
your
our
parents.
life?
Then how will you connect greatly with your parents when you have such a less time to spend
Like,
with them?
I don't believe you, as we go to coaching or school just for 5 hours or 2 hours of our life, but we spend 24 hours
But
with our parents.
when we grow up, we get more into
Okay. Any question? Do you want to ask anything? Yes. Okay.
I think the debate actually zeroed on time that the parents or the teachers they are dedicating to you. Are there other aspects for debate like their roles on the moral values
Yes.
or the other aspects of education that you would like to debate on?
Yes, so our teachers teaches us moral values, discipline, and how to behave with others. They make us a better personality. They make us great, and they bridges us to our success. They make us a successful person. I feel they have a great impact in our life.
Okay, but don't you think like
But-
they are the same things that the parents should first take care of?
Yes, sir, I totally agree with your point, but I generally believe that teachers are doing great in students' life and they teach them super great. I mean, parents don't generally have so much quality time to spend with their students, to spend with the children. They don't get so much time to understand their children better. So I believe that teachers understand them better.
Okay,
Because
well,
But
Sanya,
sir,
if you
I
would like
don't agree with her, as she said that discipline and honesty, that these are all things that are taught to us by our parents. No teacher will teach you this. Like, as we are as kids and we are not going to school, our parents are the ones who teaches us these things. So we can't say that teachers teaches us. They are our parents who first teaches us these things, then our teachers teaches us.
But I believe we throughout our life we meet so many teachers, and they are super great personalities. They can inspire us throughout our life. They can give us better guidance and many more. Like the list
Okay,
goes
okay,
on.
okay.
Vedika, sorry to interrupt you. Like you are considering teachers as having great personalities.
Yes.
Why can't that be so with the parents? Even
I
they can be. I mean, good at most of the things. They can have. I mean, admirable or coveted
Sir, I agree
professions.
with I
So
agree
they-
with
they
your
might be-
point that parents can also be a great personality, but I'm saying that we meet so many teachers and every teacher has a different personality. When we meet super much personalities, like when we meet different personalities, we learn more, we grow more, and we get information more.
Sania would like to say.
Sir, I believe that parents are more better personalities. Are they are the ones to whom we see first in our life. Like a child, if they have to look for motivation, they see their parents first, not the teachers.
Okay, but she is talking about the varied personalities that group of teachers might be having. Just because they are more than
Like
two.
sir, as we have seen in our home, our mother and father, they also have different personalities, but they understand us now.
Okay, mother and father, they are having a complementary relationship.
Yes,
they
sir.
understand things better.
Yes,
They
sir.
understand the entire world actually with their own perspectives, and they are complementary in nature. So it's like what I feel is if the judges support, I think Sania is having a greater connection with her parents. That's why she feels like the parents are more supportive in terms of education, and the same goes with Vedika. She is more so connected with teachers, and that's why they have that opinion.
Okay.
I got the topic actually. That is why they are speaking in this way. We cannot say that this is their personal opinion because they have imposed the topic. Na? The topic has been imposed on them. Yeah. So that is why it is happening. Na?
चलिए.
Anyway, I request judges to give the numbers according to their performance.
इसमें ये
Thank you so much, sir.
ओके आप लोग बैठ जाइए.